Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends. A noun names an object, person or place. In this video, we are going to learn two forms of noun, singular nouns or plural nouns. What does singular mean? Singular means one. A singular noun refers to only one person, place, animal or thing. For example, person, mother, doctor, place, hospital, park, animal, cat, cow, thing, pencil, basketball. Plural nouns. What does plural means? Plural means two or more than two. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place or thing. For example, persons, mothers, doctors, place, hospitals, parks, animals, cats, cows, things, pencils, basketballs. Now we are going to learn how to change singular nouns into plural nouns. Singular nouns can be changed into plural nouns using different rules. Most plural nouns in English are regular. That means you can simply add s or es to make them plural. To form regular plural nouns, follow these rules. Rule number 1. For most nouns, just add s to make them plural. For example, a window, windows, a plate, plates, a cat, cats, a lamp, lamps. Rule number 2. If a noun ends in s, z, x, sh or ch, add es to make them plural. For example, class, classes, fox, foxes, wish, wishes, bench, benches. Rule number 3 for regular plural nouns. If a noun ends in a consonant, all letters except a, e, I, o and u followed by y, then change y to I and add es to make them plural. For example, berry, berries, baby, babies, sky, skies. Irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural nouns do not follow the simple rules of adding s or es. They follow different rules, or they do not follow any rules at all. So you need to remember each of them. Rule number 1 for irregular plural nouns. If a noun ends in a vowel followed by y, add s to make them plural. For example, toy, toys, boy, boys, essay, essays. Rule number 2. If a noun ends in a consonant followed by o, add es to make them plural. For example, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, echo, echoes. There are some exceptions to this rule. We have to remember it. Solo, solos, piano, pianos, memento, mementos, hello, hellos. If a noun ends in a vowel followed by o, add s to make them plural. For example, studio, studios, cameo, cameos, portfolio, portfolios. There are some exceptions to this rule. For example, roof, roofs, grief, griefs, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs. For nouns ending in f and fe, change f or fe to v and add es to make them plural. For example, leaf, leaves, half, halves, knife, knives. For nouns ending in us, change us to I to make them plural. For example, syllabus, syllabi, fungus, fungi. Some nouns change a few letters or complete spelling. You have to memorize these nouns. For example, man, men, woman, women, child, children, person, people. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. For example, gold, silver, sugar. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. For example, deer, deer, sheep, sheep, fish, fish, series, series. Some nouns have no singular form. These nouns are always plural. Scissors, trousers, pants, glasses. Some nouns are used with modifiers. If that is the case, change the noun, not the modifiers. For example, daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, minister of education, ministers of education. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.